What happens when the world's most exclusive hypercar brand decides to redefine life on the open road? You don't just get a motorhome, you get a rolling masterpiece. This is the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, and today on RV TourHub, we're exploring a level of luxury that feels almost unreal. From the outside, the Bugatti Motorhome looks nothing like a traditional RV. Every curve is sculpted with precision, inspired by Bugatti's iconic hypercars. The aerodynamic body, signature horseshoe design elements, and flawless detailing instantly announce that this is something extraordinary. Even standing still, it looks fast, elegant, and unapologetically elite. Step inside, and the interior feels like a private luxury jet merged with a five-star hotel suite. The layout is open, refined, and meticulously crafted. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, brushed metal finishes, and soft ambient lighting surround you in pure sophistication. Large panoramic windows create a bright, airy atmosphere, making every destination feel like a VIP lounge with a view. The living area is designed for both comfort and prestige. A custom-built lounge sofa, a sleek dining table, and a massive hidden LCD display transform the space into a perfect area for relaxation or entertainment. Every control, from lighting to temperature, is integrated into a smart system that responds with effortless precision. The kitchen is minimalist yet incredibly powerful, featuring high-end appliances, seamless storage, and flawless surfaces. It's designed not just to function, but to impress, making even simple meals feel like a luxury experience on the road. When it comes to rest, the sleeping area delivers unmatched comfort. The main bed is crafted with a premium mattress, sound insulation, and mood lighting that creates a calm, private retreat. A secondary sleeping space offers flexibility for guests or extended travel, all while maintaining Bugatti's signature elegance and attention to detail. The washroom continues the theme of excellence, featuring a spa-inspired design with a rain shower, designer sink, luxury fittings, and refined finishes. It feels more like a boutique hotel bathroom than anything you'd expect inside a motorhome. Performance is where Bugatti's DNA truly shines. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome combines powerful engineering with smooth, controlled driving, making long journeys feel effortless. Advanced suspension, intelligent safety systems, and whisper-quiet cruising redefine what it means to travel in total comfort. This is not just a motorhome, it's a statement of status, innovation, and ultimate freedom. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is built for those who refuse to compromise and believe the journey should be just as legendary as the destination. Subscribe to RV TourHub for more exclusive tours of the world's most luxurious and futuristic motorhomes, and let us know in the comments, would you take this Bugatti Motorhome on the road of your dreams?